Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Independence Day. Independence Day in India is a significant national holiday celebrated on August 15 each year. It commemorates the country's freedom from British colonies rule, which was achieved on August 15, 1947. Here is some comprehensive information about the Independence Day in India. Historical significance. India's struggle for independence was a long and arduous journey marked by various movements and leaders who fight against British rule. The non-violent civil disobedience movement led by Mahatma Gandhi played a crucial role in gaining India's independence. Celebration and observance. Independence Day is celebrated across the nation with great enthusiasm. The main event takes place in the capital city, New Delhi, at Red Fort. The Prime Minister of the India hoists the national flag and delivers speech to the nation. Similar flag hosting ceremony takes place at the various government offices, educational institutions, and public spaces across the country. Next is the flag hosting. The Indian nation flag, known as a tricolor, consists of three horizontal stripes: saffron, that is top, white color, middle, and green bottom, along with the Ashok Chakra. A navy blue wheel with the 24 spokes in the center. The flag is hosted with the patriotic fever during the Independence Day celebration. Next is the parades and cultural events. In addition to the flag hosting, parades featuring military forces, cultural display, and presentation highlighting the diversity of the Indian state and cultures are in the integrity part of the celebration. People dress in the traditional attire, sing patriotic song, and participate in the various cultural programs. Next is the kite flying. Kite flying is a popular recreational activity associated with the Independence Day. Colorful kites fill the sky as a people engage in the friendly kite flying competition. Next is the triumph of freedom. Independence Day serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters and the determination of the Indian people to secure their independence. It symbolizes the triumph of unity, courage, and the perseverance. Next is a national holiday. Independence Day is a national holiday in India. Government offices, schools, and most businesses remain closed to allow people to participate in the celebration. Next is a Prime Minister address. The Prime Minister's speech on the Independence Day is an important highlight. The address outlines the achievement of the government, current challenges, and the future goal. It is an opportunity for the Prime Minister to communicate with the nation. Next is the patriotic feeling. Independence Day evokes strong feeling of the patriotism and the national pride among Indians. It is a time for reflection on the progress made since gaining independence and a revenue commitment to the nation's development. Next is the security measures. Given the importance of the occasional and the high profile nature of the events, security measures are put in place to ensure the safety of the participants and the dignitaries. Several leaders played pivotal role in during India's struggle for independence and continue to celebrate it on the Independence Day for their contribution. Some of the notable leaders include: first one is Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violent resistance was instrumental in India's fight for freedom. His leadership and the campaigns such as the Salt March and Quit India movement inspire millions to join the freedom struggle. Next is Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the independent India. Jawaharlal Nehru plays a significant role in shaping the country policies institution. His leadership helped the foundation for a democratic and modern India. Next is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, often referred to as a Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was instrumental in the integration of the princely state into the newly independent nation. His effort helped unity India into a single political entity. Next is Subhash Chandra Bose, a charismatic leader. Subhash Chandra Bose was known for the commitment to the India's independence. He founded the Indian National Army and sought support to access power during the World War II. Next is Bhagat Singh, a young revolutionary. Bhagat Singh's courageous and sacrifice made him a symbol of the struggle against British. His execution at a young age left a lasting impact on the nation's consequences. Next is Rani Lakshmibai, also known as a Rani of Jhansi. She was a brave queen who fight against the British rule during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Her courage and leadership continue to inspire generations. Next is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, an architect of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar worked tirelessly for the social justice, equality, and the rights of the communities. His effort laid the groundwork for a more exclusive India. Next is Lala Lajpat Rai, a prominent freedom fighter. Lala Lajpat Rai was the first of the Lal Bal trio, along with the Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the Bipin Chandra Pal. He advocated for self-reliance and was involved in the various movements against British oppressions. Next is Mulana Abdul Kalam Azad, a freedom fighter, educationist. Mulana Azad was committed to promoting education, a crucial role. He performed the crucial shaping India's education policy. These leaders are, among others, dedicate and sacrifice and unwavering commitment to the cause of India's independence. Their legacies continue to the inspire are the remembered to the reference on the Independence Day and throughout the year. That's all about the Independence Day. Thank you.